Good evening, everybody. I'm meteorologist Jesse Hawila. We have a WFAA weather alert day in place for early Saturday morning and overnight Friday from 4 o'clock in the morning to 8 a.m. That's when the impact could be golf ball size hail and some of the thunderstorms that we'll be tracking for you here. Not every thunderstorm is going to produce hail. Not every thunderstorm that does produce hail is going to produce hail up to the size of golf balls. That's just the maximum potential that we're expecting early Saturday morning, again, from 4 o'clock in the morning to 8 a.m. Here's what you need to do. Stay updated. Tune into Daybreak, download the WFAA app for alerts, and download WFAA Plus on your TV for extended coverage. So here's what we're expecting as we go through the overnight. This is 2 o'clock in the morning. We have cloudy skies building into the area. These are the showers and thunderstorms developing southwest of the Metroplex. Some of those could produce some small hail. And then as we get later into the night, so about 3 a.m., you see how they intensify down here towards Stephenville, Eastland, Abilene, and Albany. Some of those thunderstorms could produce up to quarter-size hail. And then the golf ball size hail potential will linger as we get into 4, 5 o'clock in the morning. There are the thunderstorms at 4 a.m. Some of those storms, again, large hail producers. This is not a tornado threat. This is not a damaging wind threat overnight or early Saturday morning. These are going to be what we call elevated thunderstorms. They're not rooted to the surface. They're elevated. That's why we call them elevated thunderstorms. Some of those storms could produce some big hail. And at 4 o'clock in the morning, that's where they are. At 5 a.m., the scattered thunderstorms in the Dallas-Fort Worth area with the chance for hail from quarter to golf ball size in a storm or two. That again is 5 o'clock in the morning. There's 6 a.m. Scattered thunderstorms from Denton, McKinney, Greenville, Sulphur Springs over to Decatur. This rain heavy at times, lifting north. The thunderstorms by 7 a.m. A lot of these in the Red River counties by 7. Notice areas south of I-20 getting a bit of a break. North of I-20 still the thunderstorms. And then by 8, a lot of the heaviest rain and thunderstorm activity moves into Oklahoma, leaving us with scattered showers and a few rumbles of thunder throughout Saturday morning. Those from 8 o'clock in the morning through about noon are not expected to be severe. However, Saturday afternoon, and we'll touch on this in just a moment, Saturday afternoon, some of these thunderstorms east of the Dallas-Fort Worth area, from Terrell down to Corsicana, Athens, Canton, Mineola, Sulphur Springs, those could produce some hail Saturday afternoon. Right now, the severe weather outlook early Saturday morning for all of North Texas includes up to golf ball size hail potential, but it's a level 1. On our 1 to 5 scale, it's the lowest you get. The coverage of those thunderstorms that produce the hail that big, not expected to be high. Like I said, 1 or 2 thunderstorms could produce that hail up to the size of golf balls. Now, let's get into Saturday afternoon. This is 12 p.m. Thunderstorms east of the Dallas-Fort Worth area Saturday afternoon could produce some quarter-size hail in some instances, so we'll keep an eye on those east of the Metroplex. For the Dallas-Fort Worth area and areas west and north, it's scattered rain. It's some rumbles of thunder, but the severe threat very, very low as we head into Saturday afternoon, Saturday evening. High temperatures are only going to be in the 50s, so there could be some large hail, but we're not expecting anything else out of these thunderstorms. Again, that's what the risk level is, or what the risk is for overnight tonight and early Saturday morning is for that large hail potential. Midnight Sunday, cloudy skies across the area. Scattered rain will start coming to an end, and we are going to be dry on Sunday. About a quarter to a half an inch of rain is what we're expecting across all of North Texas. Some higher totals into Oklahoma. Higher totals along the Red River, and then the lower totals down to the southwest of the Metroplex, where maybe a tenth to a quarter of an inch. But of course, if you find yourself under the thunderstorms, they're going to dump some heavy rain, so you might exceed some of these numbers in isolated locations. That's just kind of the general overview of what we're expecting rain total wise. Temperature wise, these are the highs on Saturday. So we'll start the day off in the upper 40s, and we're only going to manage to get to about 52 in Dallas, 53 in Terrell, 52 in Waxahachie. Much different than today. The high temperature on Friday was 82. So we're going to be about 30 degrees colder across the area. Upper 40s, mid 40s to the northwest of the Metroplex, low to mid 50s east of the Dallas-Fort Worth area Saturday afternoon. So again, a really chilly start to the day and a chilly afternoon. So tonight and the overnight, 48 degrees. The rain, the thunderstorms move into the area, increasing clouds, a light breeze. Tomorrow, 52, on and off rain, much colder, breezy. 14-day forecast. There's the WFAA Weather Alert Day on Saturday. Sunday we are dry. So again, from 4 to 8 a.m., we're concerned about that hail potential up to the size of golf balls. So we'll keep you updated on that. 73 Monday, dry. Tuesday, dry, 79. Chance for a few thunderstorms Wednesday and Friday of next week. St. Patrick's Day in the weekend before looked totally fine with mostly sunny skies and high temperatures in the low to mid 70s, and then some 80s return after that. So again, just to recap here, what we're expecting for the WFAA Weather Alert Day, the wind portion from 4 a.m. to 8 a.m., that's the window of opportunity for the Dallas-Fort Worth area and really the core of North Texas, the central part of North Texas, to see hail up to the size of golf balls. That's when the thunderstorm intensity will be at its highest. And like I said before, and I'll say it again, not every thunderstorm is going to produce hail. Not every thunderstorm that does produce hail is going to produce hail up to the size of golf balls. That is the potential in the absolute strongest thunderstorms. That's what we're going to be watching again early Saturday morning. So please stay updated. Make sure you tune in to Daybreak. Meteorologist Cassie Hyder will be here tracking these thunderstorms for you. Download the WFAA app for alerts. And again, that hail size could be up to golf balls by early Saturday morning.